Would you believe it? After years of ruined families, emptied bank accounts, endless hearings, and children growing up while their parents wait in courthouse corridors, there are still people who believe the family court can be reformed. Reformed? This is rather like reforming a shark by teaching it table manners. The machinery was built around conflict. Conflict produces hearings. Hearings produce lawyers. Lawyers produce experts, evaluators, coordinators, guardians, and therapists. And suddenly the misery of one family has become an industry. And who pays for this magnificent carnival? You do. The bewildered parent pays, while an impressive procession of professionals explains why still another hearing, evaluation, report, or therapeutic adventure is absolutely indispensable. Meanwhile, the child waits. Human families managed to survive for millions of years before somebody discovered that affection between parent and child required a courthouse, a lawyer, and a psychological report. Perhaps the problem isn't that the machine needs repairing. Perhaps we need a different machine. Family conflict is fundamentally about human behavior. What people do, what children learn, what parents reinforce, what environments teach, and how relationships change. Yet we routinely hand these behavioral problems to an adversarial legal system and then express astonishment when the adversaries contend fighting. Brilliant. If your child is rejecting you, the question is not merely, how do I win another argument against the other parent? The better question is, what happened to my child's behavior, and how do I demonstrate it with observable evidence? That changes everything. Stop wandering endlessly through the courthouse bazaar, purchasing another opinion from another professional who promises that salvation lies just beyond the next invoice. Learn the behavior, document the behavior, explain the behavior, and make the welfare of the child, not the quarrel between the parents, the central issue. If you are fighting to restore a relationship with your children, perhaps it is time to stop merely defending yourself inside the system and learn how to make the system answer to the evidence. Talk with hope and darkness. Because sometimes the most sensible response to an absurd machine isn't to argue with it, it is to understand how the machine works and change the game.